The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the crash type and then work my way out with the information that you have there. So what I have done is I've got a layer 4 that I've created, and I'm going to turn off layer 3 and layer 2, so they're out of the way, because these lines here are pretty much the same, so I know which space I have to work with the text. So I'm going to do the full amount of text, and then you can decide later whether you want to crop it within a shape or not. So first we go over to type, and we click on the background, and then put the caps lock on so that you can type in the wording crash. Now, to resize it again, don't do it from the sides or the middle. Do it from a corner and hold down the shift key, so you're doing it in scale and proportion, because typographers put a lot of effort into designing type, and designers can go in and butcher the type. So actually designers don't do that, but desktop publishers do, because they're not as savvy about honouring the type that someone has created. So let's go to character, and let's look at type. So if you click on here, it'll show you what the type looks like. So we want something similar to yours, or as close as possible. There are places you can go to, like DeFont, to find typefaces that are free to download for personal use. So you can always go to something like DeFont. Adobe also has typefaces, so because you have free access to that, you can also look at something like that. So there's Franklin Gothic, which I could use, or maybe Gill Sans Ultra Bold. So that's a personal choice, up to you. So what I'd be looking for is something that's bold but also a little bit condensed maybe. So I'll try this one. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger. And then I am going to rotate it. So if I hold the cursor near a corner and it shows me those arrows, it means it's waiting for me to rotate it. So I can put it something like that. You might want a more bold and condensed typeface, so you can do a bit more searching for that.